Hello everyone, I am Jahangir Nasirwala from GEC Bharuch, and today I'll be demonstrating two useful data visualization techniques using the iris dataset, a heat map and a pair plot. So let's dive in quickly. The iris dataset is a classic dataset that contains information about three species of iris flowers: setosa, versicolor, and virginica. And this dataset contains four features: sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and petal width, which all are numeric. We'll use this dataset to visualize the relationships between these features. A heat map is a visual representation of data where values are represented using colors. In this case, we'll create a heat map to show correlation between numeric features of this iris dataset. Correlation tells us how one variable is related to another. For example, if one feature increases when the other increases, they have positive correlation. What this code does is load the iris dataset, select only the numeric columns, and compute the correlation between them. We use a cool warm color map to visually distinguish positive and negative correlation. As you can see, petal length and petal width have a strong positive correlation which is close to 1, meaning they tend to increase together. On the other hand, sepal width has little correlation with other features. Now let's move on to the pair plot. A pair plot shows pairwise relationships between all features in the dataset. It's a great way to explore how features interact with each other and if they can help distinguish between different categories, like the species of the iris flower. This code creates a pair plot with each species represented by a different color. The diagonal plots show the distribution of each feature using the kernel density estimation, while the scatter plots show how pairs of features relate. As we can see here, petal length and petal width clearly separate the three species, making these important features for classification. On the other hand, sepal width and sepal length are less distinct. In summary, the heat map helps us visualize correlation between features, while the pair plot allows us to see relationships between every pair of features and how they vary between species. These visualizations are extremely useful for understanding data before building any models. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped you understand how to use heat maps and pair plots with the iris dataset.